Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo and I am the COO here at Hanhaa. Over the last 5 years, I have witnessed a high number of new and exciting applications for ParceLive. Individuals and companies have begun to realize the huge benefits that come with having greater visibility and protection of their valuable assets as they travel throughout the supply chain. Over the last year or so, one industry that has adopted ParceLive is art and art transportation specialists. We work with a variety of art logistic companies who send masterpieces all over the world in order for them to be showcased at some of the most prestigious museums. Due to the historical value and the fragility of the majority of these artworks, it is imperative to have real-time monitoring of the various conservative parameters and geolocation throughout the transfer. One of our closest channel partners who take caution and security seriously is Arterìa. Founded in 2000, Arterìa is the leading Italian logistics provider for the transportation, packaging, handling, and installation on finance. Working closely with my friend Antonio, one of the directors at Arterìa, we have worked on some truly fascinating projects. In the coming days, we will soon be releasing a case study on one of the projects we work on. This case study involves Arterìa using ParceLive to track and monitor the transportation of Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man drawing from Gallerie dell'Accademia in Venice to the Louvre Museum in Paris. The Vitruvian Man is one of the most famous and recognizable masterpieces, and it was created in 1487 and still attracts a huge number of people to see it in person. With that being said, we hope you are excited to learn more about this case study in the coming days, and to find out how new and emerging technologies are soon becoming integral to the logistics world. Thank you.